Hi, this is my presentation on the human resource frame. Um, so first off, I just wanted to talk about, according to Blumen and Deal, the human resource frame just allows for support, like empowerment and development of kind of like a plan or a strategy of how, as a principal, you're going to implement and show like the flow of importance of people. Well, we all know everyone is important in a school system, whether it's the custodial staff, the teachers, the parents, the office staff. For this project, we did have to decide of an order. As I was doing that, it was really hard going through to decide of one, but I kind of came up with one that I felt pretty confident in. So I'm going to share that next. So kind of my orders, I would start with the principal, just like the assignment asked us to. And while I feel that parents and students are so important, I mean, they're the reason we're all there, in a school working. I put the teachers, office staff, and paraprofessionals next because I kind of felt as a principal, it is your job to make sure everyone that works underneath you knows the plan, knows what they need to do to make it the best school and the best place for those students. So I felt like as a principal, it's very important that you are working very closely with all those people so that all of those people in turn can help your students and help your parents. Because the teachers, the paraprofessionals, the office staff, those are the ones that are seeing the students more probably than the principal. I mean, our principal at our school, she does come around, and I teach kindergarten, so she'll read to our kindergartners and be there, but I'm the one that sees them every day. The paraprofessionals in my classroom, they're the ones that help my students every day. So I put it as principal, the teachers, the office staff, and the paraprofessional, because I feel like these are the people that need to really know with the principal what the plan is, how we're going to do our job. Then I put the custodial staff, the cooks, and the maintenance personnel, because they're the ones that keep the school up and running so students can even learn. And then next I put the students, because I feel like the principal, the teachers, the office staff, paraprofessionals, custodians, cook, maintenance personnel, all those people work together to help our students and make sure that everything they need is there and ready for them in the day. Then next I put our parents, because as a teacher, not only are you there for the students, but you're communicating daily with parents in your classroom to make sure they're getting the support, everything they need at home to be able to function and grow into the best student they can be. And then last, I put the alumni and community, because they're also a huge importance in our school. And if you have their support and their backing, then you are able to better help those students and those parents, because altogether, everyone is working towards the main goal of helping students learn and grow as individuals. So that was kind of my structure and the order that I felt like it went in. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.